Deep within the vastness of our solar system, some 880 million miles away from Earth, there exists a world of mesmerizing beauty and profound mystery. Welcome to the enigmatic realm of Saturn, a celestial giant that has captivated the hearts and minds of astronomers for centuries. Saturn, the gas giant shrouded in secrets, presents a myriad of wonders to those who dare to delve into its mysteries. From the peculiar hexagonal pattern adorning its north pole, to the inexplicable downpours of icy particles cascading from its atmosphere, Saturn continues to defy our understanding of the cosmos. And now, recent observations have revealed a new enigma stirring within the confines of Saturn's rings, sparking concerns about the fate of our cosmic neighbor in the distant future. But before we jump into the intricacies of Saturn's rings and the ominous signs of their potential disappearance, let us embark on a journey through the history of space exploration, tracing the footsteps of humanity's quest to unravel the secrets of this ringed world. Our odyssey begins in the year 1979, when the wisely named spacecraft Pioneer 11 ventured into the depths of space and captured the first close-up images of Saturn. These images marked the inception of our fascination with this celestial giant, igniting a thirst for knowledge that would drive us to new heights of discovery.
And liftoff of the Cassini spacecraft on a billion-mile trek to Saturn.
It was not until the arrival of the Cassini mission in 2004 that the true majesty of Saturn began to unfold before our eyes. Equipped with state-of-the-art instruments and cutting-edge technology, the Cassini spacecraft embarked on a daring voyage through the Saturnian system, revealing the many wonders that surpassed even the wildest imaginations of astronomers. Firstly, we are confronted with the staggering scale of its grandeur. Saturn, the second-largest planet in our solar system, boasts a core of immense proportions, comprising roughly half the planet's radius and weighing an astonishing 12 to 20 times the mass of Earth. And yet, despite its colossal size, Saturn possesses a density so remarkably low that it would float upon a vast reservoir of water, defying the laws of gravity with its ethereal presence. But Saturn's allure extends beyond its sheer size and gravitational anomalies. Unlike its spherical counterparts, Saturn is endowed with a unique flattening at its poles, a consequence of its rapid rotation and bulging equator. With an orbital period of approximately 10.5 hours, Saturn spins with unparalleled speed, sculpting its distinctive silhouette into a spectacle of celestial beauty. Measuring approximately 75,000 miles in diameter at its equator, and spanning around 68,000 miles from pole to pole, Saturn casts a mesmerizing spell upon all who gaze upon its radiant form. Yet amidst the splendor of its rings and the majesty of its swirling storms, a mystery lingers, waiting to be unraveled. What strange forces stir within the depths of Saturn's rings? And what portents do they foretell for the fate of our cosmic neighbor? As we gaze upon its majestic form from the vantage point of Earth, we are greeted by the sight of distinctive yellow and gold bands adorning its upper atmosphere, a testament to the superfast winds that sweep across its surface at speeds exceeding 1,100 miles per hour. But amidst the swirling tempests of Saturn's upper atmosphere lies a phenomenon that defies explanation, a colossal hexagon pattern spanning approximately 20,000 miles in diameter. This breathtaking spectacle, with its intricate geometry and vibrant hues, captivates the imagination and challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Carefully compiled from high-resolution images captured by the Cassini spacecraft, a mesmerizing animation reveals the transition of this enigmatic hexagon from a bluish shade to a golden hue. Within the swirling vortex at Saturn's north pole, a colossal hurricane rages, its eye surpassing earthly hurricanes in size by a staggering 50%. Reddish vortices dance in harmony with the counterclockwise motion of the hexagonal jet stream, creating a symphony of atmospheric turbulence unlike anything witnessed on our own planet. Yet, perhaps the most baffling aspect of this six-sided storm is its remarkable resilience. While hurricanes on Earth dissipate after a mere week, Saturn's hexagon has endured for decades, or perhaps even centuries, a testament to the lasting power of nature's fury. But how does such a monstrous storm come to be? Computer simulations reveal a phenomenon known as deep thermal convection, wherein heat transfer through fluid or gas movement generates atmospheric flows that give rise to large polar cyclones and an eastward jet pattern at high latitudes. As these atmospheric features converge near Saturn's North Pole, they sculpt the distinctive hexagonal shape that has captivated astronomers for generations. And yet, Saturn's hexagon is but one of the many intriguing features that this celestial giant has to offer. If you're liking the video so far, you should consider subscribing to the channel and help us create better content and reach more explorers out there. Now back to the video. Stepping into the history of space exploration, our journey brings us face to face with another enigma shrouded in the depths of Saturn's rings. It was during the Voyager mission that scientists first glimpsed something peculiar. Mysterious spokes traversing the expanse of Saturn's rings, casting a veil of intrigue over the celestial landscape. Yet, when the Cassini spacecraft embarked on its daring mission to Saturn, these ghostly features seemed to vanish without a trace, deepening the mystery surrounding their existence. Upon closer examination, researchers observed that these spokes exhibited a peculiar behavior. When viewed from above, they appeared dark, but when observed from below, they shimmered with a radiant brilliance. One hypothesis suggests that these spokes may arise from dust particles within the rings, separating from icy chunks and floating independently above the rest of the icy boulders. It is believed that Saturn's magnetic field may play a crucial role in this phenomenon, creating an electrically charged environment that influences the behavior of the charged dust particles, causing them to temporarily coalesce and form denser patches within the rings. Just like our own planet, Saturn experiences the passage of seasons, each lasting approximately 7 Earth years. And it is during these seasonal transitions, in Saturn's spring and fall, that the spokes re-emerge, casting their ethereal glow upon the celestial canvas. While other giants in our solar system boast rings of their own, such as the majestic rings of Uranus, it is Saturn's spokes that stand as a testament to the boundless wonders of the cosmos. Named in the order of their discovery and delicately positioned along Saturn's equatorial plane, the 7 rings of Saturn stand as sentinels of cosmic beauty. Stretching outward from the planet's core in a mesmerizing display of celestial splendor, encompassing a staggering expanse of space, these rings extend their ethereal embrace, from the innermost D ring to the outermost E ring, spanning distances that boggle the mind and defy comprehension. Consider, if you will, the sheer scale of Saturn's rings. The outermost E ring, alone, stretches from 75,000 to 260,000 miles, a cosmic highway of icy particles and celestial debris that winds its way through the depths of space. But the magnificence of Saturn's rings is not merely a matter of scale. It is a symphony of beauty and complexity. Detailed observations reveal that while certain areas of the rings can reach a thickness of approximately 0.6 miles, the main rings themselves are astonishingly slender, measuring a mere 32 feet in thickness. Within this delicate veil of icy particles lies a world of diversity, from minuscule grains resembling dust to substantial fragments rivaling the size of houses. Yet the story of Saturn's rings is not confined to the present moment. It is a tale that spans centuries of human exploration and discovery. Nearly 4 centuries ago, when Galileo first trained his telescope upon the celestial giant, he described the enigmatic bulges flanking Saturn as ears, or handles, unaware of the true nature of these celestial wonders. It was not until centuries later that astronomers began to unravel the mysteries of Saturn's rings, revealing them to be a complex interplay of gravitational forces and icy particles suspended in orbit around the planet. But the intrigue of Saturn's rings extends beyond their origin. It is a mystery that continues to captivate the imaginations of scientists and stargazers alike. How and when did these majestic rings come to be? One possibility is that they originated from the collision of small, icy moons orbiting Saturn, triggered by the gravitational influence of passing asteroids or comets. Alternatively, they could be remnants of dwarf planets that met their demise in the distant past, now existing as the enigmatic rings encircling Saturn. Yet, Perhaps the most tantalizing hypothesis comes from the discovery of a potential moon called Chrysalis, which is believed to have existed before Saturn's rings formed. Through computer simulations, scientists have proposed that Chrysalis, similar in size to Saturn's third largest moon, Iapetus, may have collided with Saturn's largest satellite, Titan, in the distant past. This cataclysmic event, driven by the gravitational interactions between Saturn and Neptune, led to the fragmentation of Chrysalis and the formation of Saturn's iconic ring system. As we peer into the depths of Saturn's cosmic ballet, we are met with a sobering realization. The majestic rings that have adorned the gas giant for millennia are not immortal. According to recent studies, the age of Saturn's rings is estimated to be between 100 to 400 million years, a mere blink of an eye in the vast expanse of cosmic time. Yet, their existence may soon come to an end, as a true celestial marvel sets in motion their gradual demise. Under the relentless onslaught of the sun's radiation and the occasional barrage of plasma clouds caused by space rock impacts, Saturn's rings are slowly but inexorably melting away. Within the span of another 100 million years or so, these iconic features of the sixth planet will vanish, leaving behind naught but a fading memory of their former splendor. But what forces are at play in this cosmic spectacle? It is the delicate interplay of gravitational forces and electrical disturbances that seal the fate of Saturn's rings. When the dust particles of the rings become electrically charged and disturbed, they bind to Saturn's magnetic field, drawing them inexorably inward towards the gas giant's upper atmosphere. As Saturn orbits the Sun, its tilt changes, altering the radiation output on its inner ring layers and affecting the intensity of the icy ring rain, a cascade of frozen particles descending gracefully onto the planet below. NASA reports that Saturn's ring system is depleting at an alarming rate, losing the equivalent volume of an Olympic swimming pool every 30 minutes. After 4 decades of research, scientists have unveiled the staggering impact of this ring rain on Saturn's atmosphere. With every passing second, up to 6,000 pounds of icy particles rain down onto the planet's surface, their accumulated energy transferred to the surrounding environment through collisions with other particles. This energetic exchange contributes to Saturn's atmospheric heating, giving rise to glowing bands in the planet's northern and southern hemispheres. But Saturn's reign does not end there. Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, plays its own part in this cosmic symphony, shooting jets of water ice into space from its underground ocean. Some of these tiny particles, influenced by Saturn's magnetic field and gravitational forces, rain down onto the gas giant's atmosphere, a phenomenon aptly named moon rain. This celestial deluge is no mere shower of water and ice. It is a cocktail of chemicals, including organic compounds such as butane, propane, methane, ammonia, and carbon compounds. In the distant future, this cocktail may alter the composition of Saturn's atmosphere, changing the balance of oxygen and carbon within its gaseous envelope. Amidst this cosmic spectacle, one question lingers. What of Saturn's moons? Could these celestial bodies hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of life beyond our own planet? In recent discoveries, Saturn once again ascends as the king of moons in our solar system, with the revelation of 62 new satellites orbiting the ringed giant, bringing the total count to a staggering 145 moons. Among these celestial companions, 2 stand out as particularly intriguing to scientists: Titan and Enceladus. Titan, with its thick atmosphere and abundance of organic molecules, including complex hydrocarbons, presents a tantalizing prospect for the search for life beyond Earth. Its rivers, lakes, and seas, albeit filled with methane and ethane rather than water, hint at the potential for biological processes to unfold in its otherworldly landscape. Meanwhile, Enceladus beckons with the promise of a subsurface ocean of liquid water, a veritable oasis in the icy depths of space. With the conditions necessary for life potentially present beneath its icy crust, this enigmatic moon emerges as a prime candidate for further exploration and investigation. As we look to the future, the launch of NASA's Dragonfly drone in 2027 holds the promise of unlocking the secrets of Titan's surface and bringing us one step closer to answering the age-old question, could life exist beyond our own planet? With each new discovery, each cosmic revelation, we inch ever closer to understanding the true extent of life's potential in the vast expanse of the universe. Scientists have discovered a planetary system filled with potential of hosting life beyond our borders, and we explain it deeper on the video that appears on your screen. What new mysteries is humanity going to uncover next? Leave it here in the comments and take the opportunity to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.